Hi guys, my name is Brian McGlenn with MarineMax here in Stuart, Florida. Today we're going to take you through a all-time classic Boston Whaler 210 Montauk. This is a new 2026. We'll show you some of the features. Sitting on a Magic tilt double axle trailer, powered with a single 200 Mercury V6. You see nice boarding access here along the back with a telescoping dive ladder, a nice swim platform. The space on this boat for a 21 is pretty incredible. Large cockpit, great for fishing or cruising. Here along the back you have transom seats that simply pop up. Extremely convenient. Live well underneath the leaning post. Here at the helm you have nice comfortable helm seats, flip up bolsters. Well appointed here at the dash with the Simrad GPS, Mercury tachometers, Simrad VHF, Lenco trim tabs, nice windshield. And you'll notice as we come up to the bow, the beam continues all the way forward. So you have a nice spacious bow area. We can install bow cushions and backrests in this area. Fish box, anchor locker. A very well appointed 210 Montauk. Feel free to come see it at MarineMax Stuart. My name is Brian McGlenn. You can reach us at 561-635-6811.